and welcome to this tutorial on keyword search. Keyword search is a common feature found on many websites and search engines, including Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It allows users to find specific information or websites by typing in a word or phrase, also known as a keyword. To perform a keyword search, simply go to a search engine or website with a search function and type in your keyword or phrase. For example, if you're looking for information on the history of basketball, you might type in history of basketball as your keyword. The search engine or website will then display a list of results that are relevant to your keyword. These results are ranked by relevance, with the most relevant results appearing at the top of the list. One tip for getting the most out of keyword search is to be as specific as possible with your keywords. The more specific your keyword, the more targeted and relevant your search results will be. For example, instead of just searching for basketball, you might try searching for history of basketball in the United States. This will help narrow down the results to those that are most closely related to your specific topic of interest. Keyword search is a powerful tool that can help you find the information you need quickly and easily. Whether you're doing research for a school project or just trying to find out more about a particular topic, keyword search can be an invaluable resource. There are several types of keywords that can be used in a keyword search. Broad keywords. These are general terms that are not very specific, and they tend to return a large number of search results. For example, a search for shoes would return results for a wide variety of shoe-related topics. Long-tail keywords. These are more specific and tend to be longer phrases that are less common. They usually return fewer search results, but the results are more targeted and relevant. For example, a search for women's running shoes for flat feet would return results for a specific type of shoe that is designed for a specific type of foot. Short-tail keywords. These are shorter and more general terms that are more commonly searched. They tend to return a large number of search results, but the results may not be as relevant as long-tail keywords. For example, a search for shoes would return a large number of results, but they may not be as targeted as a search for women's running shoes for flat feet. Local keywords. These are keywords that include a geographic location, such as a city or region. They are used to target search results to a specific location. For example, a search for pizza delivery in New York City would return results for pizza delivery services in New York City. Brand keywords. These are keywords that include the name of a specific brand or company. They are used to find information about a specific brand or to compare it to other brands. For example, a search for Nike versus Adidas would return results comparing the two brands. Keyword search is important for websites because it helps users find the information they are looking for, and it helps websites attract visitors. Here are a few reasons why keyword search is important for websites. Improved user experience. Keyword search allows users to easily find the information they are looking for on a website, which improves their overall experience and makes them more likely to return to the website in the future. Increased traffic. When users search for specific keywords and find a website that provides relevant information, they are more likely to visit that website. This can lead to increased traffic and more opportunities for the website to convert visitors into customers. Better search engine rankings. Websites that are optimized for specific keywords are more likely to rank higher in search engine results pages. This can lead to increased visibility for the website and more organic traffic from search engines. Targeted advertising. By understanding the keywords that users are searching for, websites can create more targeted and effective advertising campaigns. This can help to attract more qualified leads and increase conversions. Overall, keyword search is an important tool for both users and websites, as it helps to connect the right people with the right information.